Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter again out of Dallas, Texas. And I just wanted to show you this capture page that I just created, and I am so excited. I'm like a kid with a new toy when it comes to creating these pages with the Power Lead system. And I did all this in the Power Lead system. If I wanted to, I could revise these words here, but I decided to leave it like it is. And once a person put their email address inside of here, let me show you what I've created behind the scene. I'm going to just put in an email address and click on Get Started, Get Instant Access. Now this is what people will see once they put their email address in here. Click to get instant access. You've already filled out a survey form. Let's try another one then. Let's try another one. Because I've already tried this, it wouldn't allow me to go to the next page. Let's see what it does this time. And the thing of it is, I have connected this. I built it with the Power Lead system, but I connected it with the my Aweber account. Once that you have gotten so many leads inside of Aweber, inside of the Power Lead system, you want to get Aweber as an extended autoresponder, because with Aweber it doesn't have limits on how many emails that you can send out to your list, but the Power Lead system does. So after you get over 2,000 leads in the Power Lead system, you need to, I'm going to continue to the tour page, you need to get another autoresponder. And Aweber, I would suggest Aweber because it's a great autoresponder, been around for years. So I'm clicking the continue button, and this is what comes up. This is the capture page, not the capture page, but the sales page that I created behind the capture page that you just saw. I put in my video and everything. I put my tags in where people click on it, they will go to the sign up page. If they click here, they will go to the sign up page that they can start with Lead Lightning, $7 one-time fee. Okay. Or they can click on Get My Traffic Source, and the traffic source will take them over to where I get my leads from. And I love creating these pages because, man, to me it's awesome. This is where I did it all right here in the back office of my Power Lead system back office. And this is what you can do as well. I just have fun doing it. I love doing it, and I love promoting it. You know, I love just showing people what I do, and I can go in and revise them. I can revise my page and everything. Once you click on the link, you will be taken to this. You put your email address in, you will be taken to this video, and then you can sign up for the marketing system. Or you could go right down to the bottom of the video and just click on the link, and from there you can just go ahead and sign up and get the traffic source as well. I want to look at this page again because I love it. I love the background. It's good when you love doing what you do and you take a little pride in what you have created. knowing that you can do these things, and you can teach other people how to do the very thing. And the very thing about the system is gathering leads to your primary business and have it working for you, even as you sleep, even as you go on your job, or even as you go shopping or whatever. You have an autoresponder at work on your behalf, sending out messages, telling people what the system is all about, and bringing them in to see how they can create web pages such as this one and promote their home business or whatever they are promoting online. Click on the link below. It will bring you to this fabulous page I just created, and I love it. I love the background. Look at the background here. The video. Man, I love this. But you can do the same thing. Click on the link below. It will take you over to the video that I just showed you, and the tags that you can click on to get started. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a good day or night. Bye-bye now.